follow was basically a rote learning method. So they were rhyming words, the word families. So it was like you have to make the children rote, like cat cat, bat, at family, ed family. So this was the difficulties that the last three phonic system had. But the synthetic phonic or the Jolly phonics, which was basically developed by Dr. I forget his name, Mr. Dr. Jolly. He was the one who actually uh, designed this with her two co-teacher, Sue Lloyd and Miss Vanham. So they formed this Jollyphonics, and it became very, very popular within that short period of time, because it has got a lot of logic. It teaches the purest form of the sound, and it has given lot of, through different rules, it has made the learning spelling very easy and comfortable for the children. And it has a structured curriculum. And so that what happened, the rote learning process in the whole system is just getting lesser and lesser. So it teaches through LSRW. So we all know what is LSRW. That is the listening, speaking, writing, and reading and writing. Now the first group, okay, it starts with Satipan. So there might be a question that why not ABCD, but why Satipan? So I'll just share you one thing. That thing. Now, A, B, C, D, E. Wait. F. So with these 6 sounds, how many words you can make? Just a second. Just a second. Yeah. So how many words can you make with these 6 words? And I'll write you one more thing. How many words you can form out of these 6 words? If we see CAB, right? You also start forming D, BAD, FAD, FAB.
CAD.
Bed. CAD. So there is a restriction.
DAB.
Dab, bad,
FAB.
I've written.
fed, feeding,
Fab, fad, I've written. But now let's see how many we can form out of this.
SAT, EAP, EAM, EA, Asset,
NIP,
What is the NIT NEET? It means
NIT NIT, NIP also we can. NIP.
PN,
um,
no,
PN.
list. Keep
PN,
adding. Keep adding to it.
Mm.
So now you understand that why Satipan is done in the first group. Because a child can make n number of words with Satipan than A, B, C, D, E, F, G if we teach this in this order. Right. So this is the explanation that Jollyphony gives. Now, whenever we want to practice the consonant, we are introducing the sound consonants. As Jollyphonics says, that Jollyphonics teaches the purest form of the sound. So always the consonant that we want to introduce should come at the end of the word so that no other sound can block the way. Like suppose, so it shall be grass, right? So that no other sound can block it. And whenever we are making the vowel practice or introducing, it should it should start with the first sound should be in the vowel. So like apple, ant, egg, right? Ink pot, umbrella, orange.
umbrella,
Elephant.
umbrella,
No, not elephant. It is
Okay.
elephant. Elephant. A.
elephant,
Elephant.
elephant,
A.
elephant,
Elephant. It's elephant. Elephant is okay. Sorry. Aeroplane and elephant, I always get confused. Elephant is okay. Aeroplane never starts with, whenever we are introducing the sound A, aeroplane never comes. It is aeroplane. A. It's
There
not
is A.
aeroplane. It's not aeroplane. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. So it is not aeroplane. So this is what the rule for how you are going to introduce these sounds. So now there is a this we will learn this first. I will share this. Do you know this term?
sorry,
Parenthesis?
parenthesis,
It's a kind of, ma'am, central idea of piece of writing.
The mathematical symbols, signs, the brackets.
Okay.
These are all used in the mathematics. So whenever we are denoting the sound, this is the sound S, right? When we are denoting the name, so throughout you will see in my notes, there are symbols like this. So when I'm using this line, it is S. And whenever I'm using this bracket, this is S. So one is the name and one is the sound,
Sound.
right? The name and the sound. The sound is always represented by like this, and the name is always represented by this.
The snake is in the grass, the snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. Ah, ah, ants on my arm. Ah, ah, ants on my arm. Ah, ah, ants on my arm, they're causing me alarm. When I watch the tennis game, when I watch the tennis game, my head goes back and forth. Inky the mouse is my pet. She spilled the ink and got wet. The ink is spread all over the desk. Inky's wet. Puff out the candles on the pink, pink cake. Puff, 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 puff. Puff out the candles.
Now, the best part of the sound phonic, jolly phonic is every sound has its story. Okay, so when we are talking about s, you can tell a sweet little story like you two went to a park and sat under a tree on the grass.
Grass.
And
Grass.
you saw one snake moving on the grass. Snake moving on the grass. See, whenever you are introducing anything, any story, because see, you have to understand the age group that you are catering to. Because this is the age where you need to create something very interesting. Then only you will get the attention. So our focus is to make them learn, not to just finish our syllabus. So if we do it with some flashcards or with some kind of puppets, like it can be a stick puppet, it can be a hand puppet. So if you can do it like one flashcards, like this is a park. Okay, so this is a big tree. So let's sit under the tree. Let's sit under the tree. And what happened? We sat on the grass. See, you are going on putting stress on the sound that you want to teach them. And then what we see? We see a snake moving in front of us, and it was making a hissing noise. But if you just tell, I sat under the tree and saw a snake, then they will never get interest. So whenever you are telling this, you have to have some voice modulation, some materials on your hand, your facial expression should be there, so you get that attention. So see, for this you have this. Then you can continue that when we are sitting under and we saw the snake, and then I felt some tickling on my arm, and what I found, I saw a ant, ant.
Ant.
Move, climbing my arm and causing alarm. Alarm. Oh my God. Then what I did? I threw it. Ant. Ah, ant. When you are doing all these with expression and action, why I request, please switch on your cameras and see the action and repeat after me so that, because without action, Jollyphonics is just nothing. Without action, music, story, Jollyphonic is just nothing. Trust me, it will become the same thing that you were being
Right.
teaching ABCD earlier.
Exactly.
So Jollyphonics is something where you need to put all your energy, your effort, your creativity. So this is the basic guidance. Now you can improvise on this. You can be more specific. I was sitting under an apple tree. There was an
This technique we
axe.
have to use.
Yes, yes, absolutely.
And so my arm, and so my arm, and so my arm, they're causing me alarm. When I watch the tennis game, when I watch the tennis game, my head goes back and forth. Inky the mouse is my pet.
Now you can form a lovely story with this. As I said that there is a mouse, I have a pet, it lives in my house. There is a hole on the wall where he stays there. Now one day I went out to my class and I locked my room. And when I came back, I found what? Oh my God! It jumped all over my bed and there was an ink pot on my table and it threw all the ink and it was all inky. So now I gave my mouse the name Inky the Mouse.
Spilled the ink and got wet. The ink is spread all over the desk. Inky's wet. Puffed out the candles on the pink cake.
You can get a candle, a big candle, and ask them to blow it.
In the grass. Tennis game, I hope the ink and got wet. Puffed out the candles on the pink cake. Puff out the candles on the pink cake. Puff, puff, puff. Hear the airplane, hear the airplane, hear the airplane, making lots of noise.
So be specific about the sound. It's not n, it's n. The sound will come from your nose. Mm. 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 It's not n. Never say n because Jollyphonic teaches you the purest form of the sound. It's n.
Hear the airplane, hear the airplane, hear the airplane, making lots of noise.
You're done with your bobo? Go and sit there. Okay. Now the group 2. Okay, so group 2 is the C and K sounds. So C and K sounds basically are the same. You can hear the same sound. Both are k, k. Now, how will you make the children understand when to use C and when to use K? Now, if you ask a child, can you spell king? And if the child says King, he is correct because both sounds the same, right? Now, what will you explain and how will you explain? So there is a rule for that, right? So there are two friends, K and C. They both went to a park and they talk a lot. Both of them talk a lot. Now, when both of them are talking together, okay, so nobody can listen and they are sounding the same. It is making the same noise. Now, K and C decided that, okay, there are 5 magic sounds. You take 2 because you are tall. You have got all the advantage of plucking the mangoes from the tree, keeping the, the baskets at the top rack. So you have got all the advantage of being tall. And I'm short, small. So I keep 3. C said, C was very cunning. So K is very nice. He said, okay, I'll take 2, you take 3. So now what happened? They all happily went into the room and slept. But C was naughty and cunning. It went slowly into K's room and stole I and E also. In the morning, K was very angry and K said, okay, you took my magic words. I will punish you for that. What was the punishment? So K said that you can use my magic words, but you will not be able to use your sound. You have to use your name. How? So it is K-A-T, cat, right? K-I-N, kid. This was they agreed upon. Now, C was cunning. He stole the other 2 and K punished. So now what happened? C cannot use its sound. So when E is followed by C, what is the pronunciation? Is it Kent? It's a scent.
Scent.
Right? Yes, it is scent.
Scent.
Then cycle. City. Century. Right? So C cannot use its name. It uses its, it cannot uses its sound. It uses its name.
Name.
Yes.
Madam, one small doubt.
Huh?
Yes,
Madam, one
Shailaja ji.
small doubt. Everywhere C will be only C, no phonic sound. But while when I am teaching to the students, the C sound will be, it has, you can pronounce, but in the spelling, only C, the differentiation between C and K. Only C sound
The
they have to
difference,
use.
no, see, when C is followed by A, O, and U, C
A,
will
O.
be using its sound.
Sound,
K.
okay.
But
Sure, okay.
see what C did. He was naughty. He stole
Yes,
I
yes.
and E from K. So now K has punished C. So K said you can use I and E, but you cannot use your sound. You have to use your name. So what is the name of this? C,
See. Yes,
right?
madam.
So
Yes, madam.
CT, CIT, CI. I is there next to C. So naturally
Yes,
it
ma'am.
will not say kitty. It will become city.
City. So whenever I and E will be there will be no sound, their name will be
No
there.
sound. Their
Else,
name will be there.
name will
When
be.
C
Other than that,
follows by
their sound will
AOU.
be there.
When C
So
follows
you
by AOU, we'll get the C
that will
sound.
be C's the not C sound.
Sound.
K sound.
Sorry,
K
K
Sound,
sound,
sound.
yeah.
sorry.
Go.
Symphonic sound, I mean
Yes.
symphonic. Thank you, madam.
Right? So
Some
now
more
when we are
examples so that Shailaja ji get more.
yeah, like city, century, cycle. Okay.
Madam. Okay, madam. Thank you, I understood.
So now we named C the curly, the caterpillar C. It is followed by U and A. Curly the caterpillar and kicking K. Kicking K. Ki. Kitten, kicking, kick, kitten, king. It's always followed, K is followed by I.
We are clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets. Clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets. Kites are flying in the sky.
Kaka.
Kites are
Kites are
flying
flying in the sky.
Kites are flying in the sky, flying in the sky. Kites are flying in the sky.
Eggs on the pan. Eggs on
Eggs
the
in the
pan.
pan, eggs in the pan, eggs in the pan, crack the egg like this, I like to hop, 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 up and down. I like to hop, 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 all around. I like to hop, 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 up and down. See my puppy rip the rag, See my puppy rip the rag when he pulls so hard. The mom and the dad make many meals.
It's not
The mom and the dad make many meals for their hungry children.
It's not it's Don't fold your lips. Just join it and make the sound.
See me play on my drum. Playing drums is lots of fun with a da 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 da. See me play upon my drum.
So why I show you the videos with the music? Because this is the exact method through which you're going to teach the kids. This is exactly how you're going to do it. Because Jollyphonics is all about music, because LSRW. It's a multi-sensory method of teaching. You have to sing, you have to dance, you have to tell stories, you have to use TLMs, and then only, because all these will make the rote learning away. So schwa sounds Schwa in Jollyphonics are the unstressed syllables. In this word, there are words where there are syllables which are not, where we are not putting stress on the vowels. So they are called the schwa words. Like in bah, nana, pen, pencil. So in E, there ah, E, it is pronounced and they are not stressed. You know the syllable, how to break the syllable. So these are called unstressed syllable. And these vowels are called schwa or in phonics.
The water gurgles down the drain. The water.
Like we in our childhood, I don't know whether you all have done, I think we most have done that, putting that plug into the wash basin and filling the wash basin with water and then suddenly plugging it out and seeing that water, how it goes down. It makes a sound of a gargling sound, gug 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 gug, and it is a fun for the children. So that's gug 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 gug.
Water gurgles down the drain. The water gurgles down the drain with a gurg, 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 gurg. Now it's dark, the lights go on. Oh, 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 oh.
Lights go on.
Time for
on.
bed, the lights go off.
Off.
Oh, 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 oh.
Opening an umbrella.
Up go umbrellas. Up go umbrellas. Up go umbrellas when it starts to rain. We lick our lollipops. We lick our lollipops. Oh, 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 oh. We lick our
It's not L. It's
lollipops. My friends and I went to the beach with my floating fish. It got a hole, the air came out. Bring your bat and bring your ball, buh, buh. Bring your bat and bring your ball to the park to play.
So this is the magical letter, magical sound of the Jollyphonics. Why they are called magical hand and magical letters? Because vowel makes two sounds. One is the name of the letter and the second one is the sound that we are learning through actions. So the name of the letters are called the long sound and the sound that we learn with actions are called the short sound. So this is the rule 1. When two vowels go talking similarly, they talk, nobody is hearing what they are saying, neither the first vowel nor the second vowel. So they are talking. Now they realize that they cannot hear each other properly. So they came to a agreement, you can say, that okay, the first vowel will do all the talking, the second vowel will keep their mouth shut, will not do any talking. They'll become silent. But the first vowel cannot use its sound. It will use its name. Shailaja ma'am, am I clear with this?
Yes, ma'am.
Like A and I, when they are walking together, A will only make the talking, I will be quiet. But A cannot use its sound A. What is the sound of A? A.
Ah.
It won't be able to use. So it will only use its name, that is A.
Name. A.
A. So AI together giving rise to one single sound, that is A.
A. A.
A.
A.
O and A together, when they're together, they are giving rise to one single sound, O. Oh.
Oh.
When we get surprised, we say, na, oh.
Oh.
I and you, when they are getting along together, you can only hear I.
I.
Tie, lie, pie. It's I. E is not talking. U and E, when they are again talking, going together, U does all the talking. E remains silent. And how U is, you can listen to U as a U.
Blue.
Fuel, fuel,
Fuel. Fuel.
mule. Now, mule is a
Mule.
different, no. Mule is a different thing. Fuel,
Blue.
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 Oh, no, blue is also not. Blue, you can hear oo.
Oh, yes, ma'am.
Yeah,
You. Oh.
right? Then E and A, when they go together, you can hear only one single sound, that is E.
A. C.
Okay, right? So this is the rule 1. Now digraphs. Digraphs is the similar thing. When two sounds going together, there you can only hear one sound, but a different one. You cannot hear both the sounds separately. You can hear only one single different sound. Like in A and I, can you hear A and I? No, it is A. In C and H, you cannot hear K and her. It is ch. And R, you can hear O. O. So that's a different sound. Right? O. So
Ma'am,
this,
I just one confusion immediately in this OR.
Mhm.
When we are reading and it comes OR, or we say, that time we
O.
pronounce
Actually, it's O. It's not or,
it's OR.
it's O.
Okay.
But we are not pronouncing O. It's or.
Mhm.
Or. For, or. O.
Yeah.
So what is this? There is a rule called Bossy R. I will come to that because R changes the sound of the vowel.
Okay, fine.
Yeah, R changes. R completely changes the sound of the vowel.
Fine.
So when two, but in digraph, all are digraph, but only when two vowels are making difference, they are called diphthong. So all diphthongs are digraphs, but all digraphs are not diphthong. Clear, Shailaja ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. When two vowels are
Making that difference, like when two vowels are coming together to form one single sound, they are digraphs. But in that digraphs, only if it is two vowels, they are called diphthong.
Yeah.
Right?
Okay, ma'am.
So all digraphs are diphthong. Sorry, all diphthongs are digraphs. All diphthongs, but all digraphs are not diphthong. Because when it is a vowel to consonant or consonant to consonant, like C and H is not a diphthong. It is a digraph. S and H is a digraph, but not a diphthong. Got my point? Shailaja
Any one
ma'am.
example? Yes, ma'am. Any one example for diphthong, madam? Example for diphthong.
Diphthong is
AI, madam. AI, train.
AI, yes.
Rain.
AI, EA,
Rain. Okay.
Or.
Or.
nay, not OR. R is a consonant. E, A, U, E, I, E. They are diphthongs.
Okay, madam.
And these are, they are digraphs. So they are all digraphs, but all digraphs are not diphthong. These are not diphthongs. Only these are diphthongs. They are not diphthongs. They are all digraphs. Even this is also digraph.
Okay, madam.
So both are digraphs, but these are only diphthongs. Right? You listen to this, Shailaja ma'am. See, AI is not I. It is A.
It is a.
See? A.
My ear hurt, I was in pain. A. My ear hurt, I was in pain. What did you try to say?
It is not pain, it's pain. A.
Jelly and jam, jiggling on the plate. Oh, what will I eat with it? Ja, 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 ja. Oh, did you see the
See?
billy goat?
Listen to this.
Oh, 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 oh. Did you see the billy goat under the old oak tree?
The captain say aye.
The captain said aye, aye. The captain said aye, aye. Stand up straight, don't be late. The captain said aye, aye. See the donkey in its stall. E-O is its call.
Now, last class, we did the blending. Okay, so there are two kinds of thing. One is the digraphs. So this is here most of you are getting confused. Now, whenever you are teaching the sound to the children, the sounds are always taught with the sound buttons. You cannot teach the children without teaching them with the sound buttons. Okay, first, suppose you are doing, now when you are showing them this, you have to ask them what are the sounds you can see here. K, A, T. 1, 2, and 3. So now you have to identify them with the sound button. K, A, and T. So this is very important. Now, when you are writing, so suppose if I have given you this word, how will you identify these sounds? P, P,
I, no.
Now, AI is pronounced as how? What? A,
A,
right?
pa,
So
an.
this is a diagram. So you have to
Right.
underline this and then put one single button. That means this 2 is making one single sound. This is not two sounds. Can you hear A and I separately?
No, ma'am.
We cannot
A,
hear. It is not A, it's not pain. It is pain. A. We can hear a
pain.
different sound, right? So this 2 is a digraph, and in digraph they are called the diphthong. So you have to put an underline this and then put a single button and then So now how many sounds you find here?
3.
3. So in cat also you can see 3.
3.
But if I write
Ch, at. Ch, at.
again ch,
A, ch.
a, ch. So again this is a digraph, right? Now if I
Yes, ma'am.
write now how many sound you can hear?
3, madam. Sla, e, p.
Nah, no. Why slow? Is it giving any different sound? You can hear s and l separately. You can hear s and l separately. Can you hear c and h separately? K and h?
No, madam. Ch, it's ch.
Yes. And here s and l, are you hearing one single sound?
Sla.
Slur,
SL
you can
blend.
hear s and l separately. You can
Everything.
hear s and l. Slur.
Sir,
Here
Sl.
can you hear k and h separately?
No, madam. Ch, it's
It is
ch.
cha. So it
Okay,
is a
okay. Okay, I got
digraph.
it. Diagram.
Now in slur,
It's a blend.
yes, this is a blend. So
Blend.
there will be no underline. There will be, if you want, when you are teaching them, you can ask them to circle it and put 2 single dots, then 1 dot, then 1 dot. So there is a 4 sound. Now clear, Shailaja ma'am?
Yes, madam. Yes, madam.
So the difference between a blend and
That diagram.
the digraphs?
Yes.
Yes. So is it clear with the Meetu ma'am, Janaka ma'am, and Vinayaka sir?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So this is the blending words. This is called the initial blending, when you hear the blendings in the beginning of the word, and these are the final consonant blends when you hear the blending sounds at the last. I'll give you some words. you have to identify it. Wait, I'll just write it down. So I'll give you these words. It will be for 10 minutes. Not 10 minutes, 5 minutes. You have to identify the initial blends and the ending blends, the final blends, okay?
Okay, ma'am. So,
So circle the blends.
Happy evening, ma'am. You are in mute, ma'am.
Where were you? Very good evening.
Devjani ji, can you repeat this thing so that Julie ji and new who have joined just now, they can also do it?
I'll write it.
This is the part of the revision, so don't worry. We will start the class within 2 minutes, okay? This is a part of the revision only.
No. This is a new thing.
This one?
This is we just started yesterday only.
Okay. So, we have not started our class, na?
Oh, 7 बज गया ना?
So we should start our class now.
Absolutely.
So let me give me the introduction.
Okay. आप इंट्रोडक्शन दे दीजिए, तब तक वो लोग ये करते रहे.
ठीक है, तो इंट्रोडक्शन बस ओके फाइन.
ये तो एक बार फिर से.
वो तो मुझे देना ही है. What to do? Good evening, everyone. Warm greetings to
very
all
good evening,
participants
ma'am. Good
of
evening,
Skill
ma'am.
Veda's
Good
online
evening,
1-month
madam.
course series. We are delighted to have you on board. At Skill Veda, our mission is to empower individuals through accessible, high-quality learning experiences. be it a short-term course, webinar, or hands-on training. Let's dive into the sixth class of 1 month certification course on Jolly Phonics. We will explore Magic E and more of blending words and practice sound buttons. Joining us is the accomplished Miss Devjani Das, a renowned trainer and consultant with over 30 years of experience in the education, who will share her expertise with us. Welcome, Miss Das. Unmute yourself.
Thank you so much. So
Thank
please carry on with the work. Now, this was a
Can you make
continue.
it this in center?
Excuse
Yes.
me, ma'am.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Can't do my homework because my device is too hot and my camera is not functioning properly.
Not a
Unable
problem.
to.
You can
It's
switch
okay.
off the you
ठीक है,
can switch
ठीक है,
off.
ठीक है. Because every day you keep your cameras on, so no problem if one day you
Yes,
can.
yes.
No, camera I can keep it on, but only thing is that photo I can't click, and that's why
Okay, no
unable to
problem. No problem.
more. But I can
So
tell
what do you do? No,
orally. I
what you
can
can do?
Chat
No,
box में
orally you
yeah,
do it in
mute
the
yeah,
chat box.
yeah, either chat box or unmute yourself.
No, it will not be orally. It won't be. You just write it in the chat box.
Okay, fine,
Okay,
fine,
ma'am.
fine.
Okay.
Have everybody understood the question? What Debjani is written? Selja ji, any
Yes,
confusion with
madam.
you?
No, ma'am. Mine done, madam. Actually,
Okay,
I wrote
okay.
on the book in the paper, ma'am. Book. What I am
You,
maintaining.
you can send me the paper, click the photo and send it to me.
Yes, madam. Yes.
Yes.
Vinayak sir cannot click the picture, so he's
No, I
writing in the
understood. Yeah,
chat.
yeah.
Yeah, but
Only
Baki Shailaja ma'am and rest of you just write it on a paper. But please make sure that when you are representing a work, make it in a proper way. Click the picture with your name written and send it to Twinkle ma'am.
Okay, madam.
ma'am, I sent only blending words in chat box.
Okay, Vinayak ji. Debjani ji, Vinayak ji has sent in the chat box.
Only blending, ma'am. Only blending.
I sent to ma'am, madam. I clicked
Yes,
the
yes,
photo.
received it. I am sending to Debjani ji.
Okay.
Sent.
From plump, there are two blending words. One is the initial and the other one is the ending one. Like in plump, pl, pl, these are two is pronounced together, right? So PL is initial blending and mm, M and P, that's is the
Mm.
final blend. Okay. So similarly, there are also two blends you'll find in one word. I won't say. So just if recheck it and then resend.
Madam,
Yes, Alja ji.
ma'am, I have one small doubt, ma'am. If it is mm, a grand, gr, the how many sound buttons will be, madam? Gr, it will be one, madam, or
No,
g,
no. Why one? Why one?
gr.
Why one? You can hear g and r both sound separately.
Okay, yes, ma'am. So
And
it will be five.
and also you can hear and d separately.
Yes, ma'am. So five sound buttons,
Yes,
ma'am.
yes,
Okay,
yes,
okay.
yes,
If it is
yes,
ch, ch, e, p, three sound buttons.
yes,
Yes. Okay, ma'am.
yes,
Okay, ma'am. Thank
yes.
you.
কি হয়েছে? কি হয়েছে?
নানান ফুপনকে ফোন করে বলছে আমাকে দই আর মিষ্টি আনিয়ে দিবি, আমাকে বলছে ফুপনকে ফোন করে জানেও না, দিয়ে আমি বললাম টাকা করি না,
Either she does it intentionally, or I don't know. All done? Because I will be doing a new
Malati done, ma'am.
done.
Yes,
Okay,
Devjani.
send it to
Yes. What was the time limit, Debjani ji?
It's done. Over.
Everybody has finished the work? Julie ji ने भेज दिया. Shelja ji also
Yes,
sent. Meetu ji, I am waiting for your work. And विनायक जी का आ गया. जनक नंदिनी जी का पेंड. किरणदीप जी received. अलका जी, संजना जी ने भेज दिया. And Sunil Kumari ji, yes. Sanjana ji has just sent.
Okay, so we will start with a new topic, that is bossy R. Okay, so now there can be a question. I don't know why you people have not asked me this question till now. CAT, how we pronounce it?
cat.
Cat.
How we pronounce this? Care?
Car.
No, why? It is care. Here comes the problem. When R comes after the vowel sound A, E, and O, why it is not? Yeah. It impacts the vowel sound. It has got an impact. It changes the sound of the vowel into a different one. Right? Like when we write car, star, what else we can add to this?
War.
Park, war, 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 war. It's not where, car, war, war, war. I don't think so. Car and war, park, star, No, it's not R sound. War, R. It's war. It's not war. No, we don't use war here. So basically, this is the sound we get. R sound. Okay. Now when we write ER, air, no. It is her, bird, turn, and nurse. So here the sounds is similar to bird, turn, nurse. It is R. Her. Okay. And for OR, whose is this? This. Or, fork, or. It's not it's not o, corn, fork, horse. So it has got an impact over the vowel it follows after. A, E, and O. So that is the reason R is called bossy R when it comes after A, E, and O. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, bit confusing, ma'am.
Confusing? Yes, that's what I asked. Good.
At least somebody is very frank. Yeah, confusion hai.
Right, ekdam.
This
When
is good.
R
Yani,
comes, when
it means
R
she is
comes,
listening. It means she is listening at least.
absolutely. When R comes after A, E, and O, it has impact over the vowel and it changes its sounds. It sounds like something else. Like ER, it sounds like IR. Bird, UR, turn. They are all similar pronunciation. If you say her, bird, turn, nurse, it's all R. Clear, Julie ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. Is it like a magic key that E will give
No,
that
no. It's called bossy R.
this is like R sound is heard, no, ma'am?
Yes. Yes. And sound is, so it is changing the vowel. It's not air. It is R. See, E sounds like A. Like we say A. O sounds like or. Like, and A sounds like a. So here car, it's not car, it is car. R sound, it is, you're hearing as R. So R has an impact over the vowel.
Vowel. Yes, ma'am.
Now got it?
Nahi,
Yes, ma'am.
not, abhi bhi not clear to it. I can feel that.
No, it's not clear.
थोड़ा सा repeat कर दीजिए थोड़ा सा.
It is bossy R because it has an influence. Like I can, if suppose Twinkle ma'am can influence me, and from Debjani I can become Debs.
ये bossy are when it is implemented, we want to know this thing.
When it is implemented, when it comes after a short word and the vowel like A, E, and O.
O.
अच्छा, हाँ, A,
Like I've
No.
written it. When R comes after the vowel sound A, E, and O, it impacts the vowel sound.
okay, okay.
Okay, see here it is ER ending with ER, but it sounds like IR, UR. They are all similar sounds. Her, bird, turd,
Bird.
nurse, you can hear the sound
Turn. No.
But here the R is after U. U is not a, you have written A, E, O.
No, nurse, here though it is the U is not getting impacted. U is A.
Ah,
No.
Yeah. TU is A. IR is
so how it will impact the vowel? मतलब,
No, it is not impacting U and it is only impacted E.
Ma'am, if it comes with R, U, and run, so it's not impacting
An.
you
No, because it is coming before U.
before you.
U is not getting impacted. Only the vowel A, E, and O is getting impacted.
Oh.
Why I have written bird, turn, and nurse? Because here these three UR and IR is similar to the sound R, where ER is actually E is getting impacted.
Oh, okay.
This word has got impacted. And this is similar to these sounds. These sounds. Am I clear? No, not yet.
This bossy sound is bit tough.
No.
Because this
It's not.
R, because ma'am, somewhere again still, because as you said, whenever it's A, E, and O. So can you give me one example of O also? Just like you have written over here, corn.
Corn,
Corn.
corn, horse. It's
Corn.
yes.
R
It's
is
not fork.
silent.
It's not fork. It's fork.
There R is
It's
silent.
corn.
Yeah.
Yes. Horse.
So whenever,
It's
okay, got it, ma'am.
got
With
it.
O is much clear
Yes.
because here sound is silent when O
Yes,
comes.
here the R gets silent. Okay.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
it is impacted. Now here in ER and IR, the sound gets similar. It is not their vowel sound is pronounced. E is pronounced as I is pronounced as which is the pronunciation of basically U. Right?
Turn. Oh,
Here
yeah.
A
Turn.
is AR, instead of getting R, it is pronounced as R again. Car, star. So if you see, these pronunciation are so much similar. But the spelling is different.
But here with horse, we spell
We
this
don't say
horse.
we say horse.
We say horse. Horse. Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
it's
Yes.
not horse.
Because mainly
It is not
it's
horse.
a horse.
It's horse.
It's a horse.
Horse.
R is silent.
Horse.
Corn, fork.
Fork.
With O is much pretty clear, but with E it's bit still.
No, E is getting impacted because are you saying hair? Because how E is pronounced? First tell me, what is the sound of E?
It's a, it,
It is A. So with A and R, what should be the pronunciation?
Er.
Air, air,
Yeah.
Er.
air, air, right?
Er.
But when we are saying
Yeah.
her, are we saying air, hair?
No. Her.
We are saying
Her.
her. So what is
Her.
ER is
Yeah.
how the ER is pronounced? R,
Her.
R,
R.
Yeah.
So R is
right?
impact.
So it is similar to U and R.
Hmm.
How I and R is pronounced, it should be ir, right?
Yeah.
But it is pronounced as again bird.
Bird. Turn.
Hmm. Bird. Oh.
So it is similar
Yes.
to turn and nurse.
Okay.
So it is
The
changing.
R is dominating A, E, O. You want to say like this?
Yes, it is dominating and it is changing its form, sound.
It's form.
Okay,
So it
R.
is impacting or influencing.
When it comes with A, E, O, then it's influencing, na?
You can write I also.
Okay.
Ha,
Yeah.
ha.
Julie ji, you can ask anything, please. Don't get confused. You are not getting it. I can see your face.
Ma'am, AR, I'm familiar with OR, is also fine. ER is
ER is confusing.
No, ER, you pronounce what is the pronunciation of E
Other.
separately. Sound. It's A. It's A. First you clear the sound. E is A. And if we write E, A and R, it will be air.
A.
Technically it should be air.
Yes.
But
Yes.
when we are writing ER, like her, father, it will be father, mother, her,
There is also
How-
silent.
father, mother. It is not silent. The E is getting impacted. It is turning into A.
Yeah, yeah.
R. It is becoming R.
Whenever R is with E, it will impact E.
Yes.
E.
Whenever, not together, it should become after E.
After E, then
Not
it will impact
before.
E. Yes.
Ah.
Not before, after E.
Yes, when they are coming at the end of the word and it is ending with R and followed by a
R.
vowel like A, E, and O, I,
Mm.
it is changing the sound of the vowel.
Sound.
Isn't it changing the
vowel.
sound of the vowel?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Now,
It is changing
pretty
the
clear,
sound
ma'am.
of the
Yes.
vowel.
Yes. E has changed. O also has changed. Here, star.
O also changed because R is not pronounced. R becomes silent over here.
Yes.
Or.
Yes. Oh. Yeah.
So this is called the bossy R rule.
But why it's not impacting O here?
It is impacting himself.
वही ना.
It is
But you
becoming
written na
silent.
when R is come after the sound.
So it is impacting because it is not or. It is o. O.
When it followed by O, then it will not, the sound will not be there of
It
R.
will be o.
O.
O. Like corn. For we don't say, it should not be said fork. Or corn. No. It is fork. Corn.
Fork. Yeah.
No, it's not fork. It's fork. It's corn. It's horse. It's not horse.
But
Horses.
R is different with E and it is different with O.
Yes, it is changing the vowels.
Julie ji,
Clear now?
little
Yes,
bit clear.
Julie ma'am is
Understood,
now
ma'am.
clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh,
Yes.
we will practice. We will give more. We will do
We will
more
do
practicing.
more. We will do more
Yes.
of it. Yeah. So we will be doing today the group. We have done the blending.
Shailja ji, any question? You want to ask something?
No, madam. No,
Did you
madam. No, no.
Any question? No,
No,
we will
madam.
all
No, no.
answer the question after doing the group 5 today. I think we will be doing group 5, right?
We will be sending you all the notes. Don't worry. You can read notes also.
Okay, ma'am.
Can we start the video, Devjani ji?
Just a second. Let me see. We were doing. We did group 4. Now we will be group 5.
Ever hear a bee buzz, a bee buzz, a bee buzz? Did you ever hear a bee buzz? Zzz, like this.
Please make sure you're doing the action.
I see the clouds moving, wah wah wah. I see the kites flying, wah wah wah. I see the trees bending, wah wah wah. The wind is blowing strong. If you're strong and you know it, say If you're strong and you know it, say If you're strong and you know it, and you really want to show it. If you're strong and you know it, say Try Big Span round the village. Try Big Span round the village. Try Big Span round the village. Ooh.
It is war, war, war. You just fold the lips, bite the lips, and do the vibration. It's not v, v. Don't do this. It's
Ma'am, NG, how NG sound? Because it's not so clear. NG, we have
Mm,
okay, okay.
mm.
Some,
When we pull some heavy weight, now we say
yeah, from
and
nose. It will come from nose.
yes, and N is this is we say na in
Yeah,
Hindi.
yeah.
That
So yeah,
word.
we have to instruct the tongue how we have to twist. We have to twist the tongue and
Yes,
that
yes.
sound.
And it comes from your nose.
Yeah.
So this is, what the cuckoo, you see that clock, when the cuckoo comes out at 6 o'clock, 12 o'clock, 5 o'clock, and it's a cuckoo, ooh, ooh. So it is ooh, ooh.
Who wants to be a cuckoo? Who wants to be a cuckoo? Who wants to be a cuckoo? Ooh, 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 ooh.
So now we will do one new thing we will be learning. To be more.
Yes.
Okay. How this is pronounced?
Hop.
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 Now I have wait, can you see this? No.
बैकग्राउंड आप स्टॉप कर दीजिए हाँ
Background just stop and then. So that. Okay. Can you say this?
Yes, yes.
So this is my magic wand, okay? I'm a magic fairy today. I will put this beside this HOP and will write and with this magic wand, I will put a. Now, how will you pronounce this?
Hope.
Hope.
So, what is the rule? So, E is a magic wand. When it comes at the end in a short word with a single vowel before the consonant, it cannot jump two consonants. Only single consonant before it and a vowel friend. What it happens? It becomes quiet. I will not take my sound. And what it does, it jumps the consonant and meet its vowel friend and tell the vowel friend, you cannot take your name, you cannot use your sound, you have to take your name. So what is the name of this?
O.
O.
O. And what is the sound of this?
O.
O.
So how you pronounce this?
Hop.
O.
So how O is pronounced here?
O.
Oh,
O.
And when we are putting an E at the end,
Hope.
and how, so how
O.
O is
O.
pronounced here?
Oh,
It is
by
calling
name.
its name, by its name.
Name.
So the magic word E is changing the vowel from its sound to its name,
Name.
but it is, E is not pronouncing, it is quiet, right? And it can jump only a single consonant. Fine? So you have to prepare, this is your assignment. You have to make one magic wand like this, nothing. Just roll a chart paper and make a star on this and write E. The star can be of anything, any material, you can do it. And this is the wand, you make it. Now you can decorate the this portion with colors or anything. You can make it in a better way. So this is the basic of the magic wand. Okay. So I will click a picture. I'll send it to Ms. Jain. So this will be your assignment on Thursday. Before Thursday, we start the class. Please send the picture. You make it, click the picture and send.
Yes,
This is
ma'am.
very easy to make. Just stick with this tape, the transparent tips, and make a round scale-like thing and a star on it. Okay. So you got magic E is clear. Now I will give you the notes. So the letter E, so the letter letter E is called the magic key because it can jump over only one consonant. and meet its vowel friend. It makes a short vowel sound turn into a long vowel sound because the name of the vowel is called the long vowel sound. Clear? Julie ma'am, clear?
Yes,
Shailaja ma'am, Vinayak ma'am,
madam.
and rest all the ma'ams. Okay? It cannot jump over two consonants. Right? Silent T, it does not make any sound. It is quite silent. So no sound button must be placed under it. If I give you a word with a silent E, no sound button will be placed under it. And the E is mostly at the end of the word, not in between. Okay? So is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So this is the short vowel and this is the long vowel. So E is changing the short vowel sound to a long vowel sound and it is keeping quiet. So there is no sound button under this. No sound button is under this. So if I ask you how many sounds you can hear in hope, you have to say 3 sounds.
Praise.
So can you make some words with the magic sound? There were 5 minutes time. At least make 5 and write the E in red ink and send it to me.
They have to make 5 words with the E at the end. Okay. Yes. Sunil Kumari ji. Shelja ji.
Ma'am, I can't click photos, so I
Yes,
just
Vinayak ji,
start
it's
work.
okay. Vinayak ji has written in the chat.
Chat box, chat
Yes,
box.
ma'am. I sent you, madam. Then.
Yeah, Shelja ji. I
Got
sent.
it. Shailaja ma'am, it's got it. But where is Shailaja ma'am? अभी भेजा ना 10वां?
Yes, ma'am.
Abhi.
No. Yes, Shailaja ma'am, yours is absolutely right. Sunil Kumari ma'am, I just told you to write it the E with a red ink.
Your words are
Your
right, but
हाँ.
I am sending.
Shailaja ma'am, absolutely correct. All are.
Thank you, ma'am.
And the format is also very nice.
Thank you, madam.
No, it is good.
Shalja ji, have you seen the recordings?
Yes, madam. Yes, ma'am. Today is
Okay.
uh,
Julie ji, you are sending again. You have already sent it now.
Yes, ma'am, but E should be in red ink. So
Acha,
I
acha, that's
just
why. That's
हाँ
why.
हाँ हाँ हाँ. Who has sent this?
Which one? Names are written
Check.
on the.
No, there's no name written.
Last one.
Open, check, fake, make. Who did this?
Check, check. Yeah, Aarti Sethi, Aarti ji.
Aarti ma'am, how you are writing pen? Because A should be coming at the end of the word, first of all,
E.
and it will change E, and it will impact the vowel which is before one single consonant. Yes, even check is also not correct. So there is two wrong. So that's the reason why I ask you to open your camera and listen.
Ma'am, what about
Aarti.
cake? C-A-K-E, cake?
C-A-K-E, huh?
No.
A.
Okay.
Cake is correct because it is not cake, it is cake.
Yeah.
Nahi, Aarti ji, you are talking about check na? CHECK?
Check is wrong. Check, how come E is not at the end? It has to be at the end of the word. Where the E is silent, where E is, we cannot hear E.
Any doubts till now in the these E, magic E?
no, ma'am. No, madam.
Meetu ji, any doubt?
No, ma'am.
No,
Clear.
ma'am.
All good?
So whenever E sound will be at the last, so that is a
And
magic
there
word.
will be a
Sound.
single consonant. It cannot jump two consonants.
Okay. Okay.
Between
Like one example.
one vowel, then consonant, then E. Like this?
If two consonant is there means like one
The
example, ma'am.
E cannot jump. E cannot jump.
Like cottage.
Like make,
Like
bake.
cottage.
Like there always has to be single consonant. See.
Give
Okay.
more example, Devjani ji, just give examples. Sake, S-A-K-E.
Fake.
Wake, W-A-K-E.
Fake. F-A-K-E.
Bake. Bake. Make. You.
So
Yeah.
everywhere, Mitu ma'am, you can see there is a single consonant.
Yes, yes.
So if it was double consonant, it cannot jump.
Okay.
It becomes like this. It cannot come at the end also. Correct. Got it? So it
Yes,
cannot jump two consonants and do this, whatever the magic he is doing right now. It has to be
with
only
one single
single
consonant.
consonant. Yes. Yes. Yes.
Fine, ma'am, fine.
Yes.
Ma'am, what about this cottage? C-O-T-T-A-G-E. So here, double
Double T.
T-A-G. Hmm. Yeah.
Again,
Done.
cottage.
Yeah.
A-G-E.
Yeah.
So don't think about the double T, because E is not coming after double T. It is coming
Double
about
T.
single consonant G.
Yeah.
So it is not
Yes. Yes.
cottage,
Yeah.
it
Ha,
is
ha, 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 ha.
cottage.
Yes. Clear.
It is coming after G, that is a single consonant. So we are not
Consonants. Yeah.
saying cottage, we are saying
Yeah.
cottage, A, because E is jumping across the G and meeting the
Yeah.
friend A, and saying that you cannot take your name, you cannot take your sound, use your
Sound.
your short vowel, you can use your long vowel sound. That is
Yes.
A.
Yes.
So it is
Yeah.
cottage.
Yeah.
Even if you see cheese,
Yes. C-H-E-E. Then S-E.
S-E. See, again,
Yeah.
E is jumping to E. It is changing. It is
After
not
one
A.
consonant.
It is not A.
Yeah.
It is E. See, here two rules are followed. Here in this cheese, here two rules are followed. First rule is, when two vowels walking together, the first vowel speaks and the second vowel keeps quiet. Right?
Yes.
So that is the first rule followed. And the second rule is, E is jumping and making the A sound into E sound.
Mm.
Because E is pronounced what? A. Right?
A. Yeah.
So there are two rules you can use. You can use the vowel rule, two vowels walking together, as well as you can use the magic key rules.
Magic ears. Yes. Fine. Ma'am. Yeah. Bit confusing previously it was, because
We'll,
many
we'll,
words are, yeah.
we will
Yes,
do more
ma'am.
of
We
these
will do.
activities. We will do.
Yes,
I
yes.
will send you. First assignment is your this band, magic band. Okay.
Yeah.
And then I will give you some worksheets on all these words. So it will clear you more.
Sure, ma'am. Sure.
I will give you a worksheet. I think still the blending and the sound button diagrams is also, it's confusing, because people are getting confused still on the blending sound and the diagrams. That is one. I will give you more worksheets, because sound buttons, if you don't learn, then it will be not easy for you to teach and the children that how many sounds are there in each word. Okay, so you need to understand that what is the difference between the digraph and the blends. And the second one is, yes. Second one is a bossy R, and the third one is the magic key.
Magic.
Okay.
Mm.
So I will give you a worksheet on all these.
Yes, fine.
So we will practice more and more.
Any
So
question?
after practice, I hope we will be
Thursday,
clear.
I'm asking you Thursday. Prepare stories on group A to group 5. Any sound you feel like, pick up 2 sounds, make a story out of it. Suppose you want to introduce it. So prepare a story of your own, not the stories you are hearing now. I don't want any kind of TLMs right now. You can just narrate the story. Okay.
With the
So
prompts?
first, I don't need right now props. We will be doing it again. So
Okay.
this is the first storytelling. So Thursday, first half will be storytelling session. And the stories will be only 3 to 4 lines, not more than that. So everyone will get few seconds, maybe 1 minute maximum, 1.5 minutes.
Story of sound words, right? Story of sounds.
Yes, like the groups. Now you know group A to 1 to 5. So any word, any sound you pick it up. It can be a k sound, d sound, a sound, I sound, whatever. You just pick up 2 sounds of your choice and make story as if you will be introducing these sounds in the classroom. Like I told you a story.
Yeah.
Like a story I told you that Inky the mouse, right? Or when 2 vowels go walking and they fight, like that. So when you are introducing, suppose you are introducing the let sound j. So you can say that, my mother went into the kitchen, and for the first time, I saw something she cooked, she prepared, and it was looking like it was wriggling. So I was very happy to see that, and I wanted to make a noise. So introducing jelly. J says jelly.
Okay. So catchy. It
Okay.
should be catchy.
It should be catchy. Of course, you are dealing with the age group of 3 to 6 years. So naturally, if it is not interesting, they will not look at you. They will just run away.
Sure.
Okay.
Sure. Fine, man. Close.
We will mention in the group also. Don't worry, we will mention the assignment in the group also.
Huh.
Storytelling, and they have to make that magic event also, no?
Yes, this one. This one.
This
I
is
will
just
click
for
the
the
picture.
reference. You can do it on your own.
Yes. I'll click the picture and send it to you.
Okay, madam.
Right? Okay? Okay.
Any questions till now? Okay, fine. Thank you, Debjani ji. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.
Any questions,
you, ma'am.
please post in the group.
Yes,
Okay,
if you
ma'am.
have anything, you can
Please
post.
go ahead and
And we
post in the
will
group.
have a doubt clearing class again on Thursday once we do the storytelling session.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank you,
ma'am. Have a
everyone.
nice
Thank you, ma'am.